Try this no-bake millionaire pie recipe, as some people call it, the Neiman Marcus pie. Now first you want to make your crust. Now I really remember the Neiman Marcus version of the millionaire pie having a baked meringue crust. I remember that because I had never heard of it before. Or you could just simply use a graham cracker pie crust or try this super simple cookie pie crust. Now, all the recipes on the internet use a graham cracker pie crust. Now, you would need an extra large graham cracker pie crust if you use a graham cracker pie crust. Now, I prefer to use vanilla wafers or another cookie. Now, I'm using a 9-inch pie pan. Dip each cookie in the drained pineapple juice from the pineapple or in milk. Arrange in your pie pan. Now, for a crispier crust, do not dip the cookies in anything, just put them in your pie plate. Now mix together 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. If you're making your own sweetened condensed milk, that would be 1 1/4 cup, a fourth a cup of yogurt or sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now fold in 1 cup or an 8-ounce can of drained crushed pineapple, 1 cup of shredded coconut, and 1 cup of your choice of chopped nuts. Spread in your pie crust, refrigerate several hours or overnight, and overnight is going to be much better. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to please, easy to fix recipes at Homemade Cooking in Texas.